This video is not a clickbait. I legit found a website that let you use all the premium features of almost all the AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, Midjourney, all for free. And before you ask me, let me tell you, this is not a pirated or illegal website. I have been using this website for past 6 months, and I can assure you, you can ask anything you want, generate images, videos, codes, and even a full stack website for free. I made my resume in this website in a PDF format in few minutes. Now, before I walk you through the website, let me tell you, this is my first video and I like to talk about money, power, emerging tech, and all the cool stuff that people gatekeep. So if you are interested, subscribe. This is how the interface looks. If you go to up here and click battle, you will see these options. Let's start with direct chart. You can choose any model you want. I will select Gemini 3 Pro. It's the latest model. Let's just ask something randomly, like give me the latest news of stock market, and see, you got your answers in just a second. But if you want to compare two models, choose the parallel mode. Write your prompt. I'm going to write your best food in India. Then it would anonymously select the best two models based on your prompt. Then you have to pick the winner with the best answers. Then it will reveal the model name. But if you don't like both the answers, you can go to the side-by-side mode and change either side of the model and select one of your choice. Now I will show you guys how good image it creates. I'm gonna type something wild, like imagine an octopus in business suit, and see what it will generate. This is really insane, guys. I really like the images it generated, especially the right one. Now let's uncover the models who let my intrusive thoughts win. And here are the name of the models who generated this masterpieces. Now here the question arises, why all paid AI are free? Because all the AI companies come to this website to test and compare their AI models with others, and your vote ranks them. See, this is the leaderboard. And for generating amazing AI videos, click LM Arena and join the Discord team.
The website name is lmarena.ai. Check out the description for more details.